I set a ton of goals to make myself become the best possible YouTuber that I can be. And one of those goals was actually play more games. I want to expand the reach of games that I can play. So I thought maybe I should get a PlayStation because PlayStation has Spider-Man, they have God of War, they have games that I can't play with an Xbox. So you know what? That's exactly what I did. So here we have the PlayStation 5. Wasn't expecting to get this, but here it is. I know this is my first video back, but I thought why not? It's a big, a big like step for the channel. It's a big thing that's happening. So I thought I have to get this on. Oh, actually, I want to unbox this on camera. Let me find a way I can set up the camera for you guys. Okay, so right now you are seeing this side of the setup. That's my second monitor right here. So let me unbox this for you guys. Show you guys the full experience. You guys can't see the code, but we have a God of War Ragnarok. So expect this game soon. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna do a full walkthrough though. So this is the box, PlayStation 5. Let's throw that away now. So now let's set you guys up for, I'm gonna unbox the actual PS5 after I do what's inside of this box. All right, so hi. I don't know what this looks like for you. Hopefully it looks good enough, but this is the box. I assume the controller and the HDMI and all that is in, so I will be correct. So I'm assuming. Let's start over on this side. Here we have the PS5 quick start guide for the PlayStation 5. I just said that. Another quick start, a safety guide. Okay. And then if you open it up, we have this is the base plate. This is what you put the PlayStation on if you're either lying it down or standing it up, which I will be standing it up, so I'm gonna have to read the manual. Here is the HDMI cord. Nice and long, just how I like it. Here is the power cord, again, nice and long, just how I like it. Open this up right here. We have the USB to USB-C port. This is to charge the controller. Again, I really like that they went with USB-C on both the Xbox and the PlayStation controller. So now I could use one cable for both. Again, nice and long. And now for the actual money piece. This was voted the #1 piece of technology by Marques Brownlee for 2020. And I have it in my hand. So this is the PS5 controller. Supposed to be the best controller other than the DualSense Edge. This is the normal DualSense. I'm not gonna turn it on yet because I need to set everything up, but yeah, this is the actual controller. Can you see it properly? I think you can. This is the actual controller. Beautiful. I wish it was black, but I'll use the white for now. Obviously, I'm gonna get black in the future. I will do a review on the console about a week later, so expect that video to come out, but this is just the initial unboxing and the setup. So let's actually set it up. Okay, so the PS5, that thing, is going to go right there. So I'm gonna have to clear this whole area. So shouldn't be too hard. Should just be able to unplug everything like so. I think I'm gonna leave the HDMI and power in. I should just move the console, but I'm gonna have to go under the table and on cable manager, so I'll be right back. So as you can see, everything is unplugged, a little bit messy. I will clean that. But yeah, so now let's just set up the console and then plug everything in. Wish I had a place. Actually, I do have a place I can put you guys on while I do it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do like a time lapse thing. Okay, so this is where the PlayStation will be going. Don't mind the messy bed. So yeah, let's set it up. So here we have it, the PS5 in all of its glory. Well, not really, but we move this. So I don't know what the bottom is. So I think, okay, this is the bottom. So I'm gonna put it like this. Or actually, you know what? This is the top, right? Yeah, so, how should I do this? Put this here. And here we have, oh, you can't see it. Okay, here we have the actual console. Wow, this feels real nice. It's like a matte kind of finish. Wow, the inside is way like rougher, and then obviously silky smooth right here. I would like if they had put plastic on it, but it's already in such heavy packaging. It's very hefty, way heavier than the Series S. Like the Series S is light compared to this. So on the back here, you have two USB ports, look like 3.0, a Ethernet port, an HDMI, and a power port. At the bottom, it looks like you have some sort of reset button, maybe for maintenance on the console. On the front here, you have the disk drive, the two buttons, your disk eject and your power, and then your USB-C and another USB port. I might use that for the mouse or something. So now, I assume, let me just lie this down because I do need to get the base for it. This thing right here. Now, don't know how to do any of this. I probably should read the manual, but yeah, let me just read the manual real quick. And finally, this is what the PlayStation looks like on the desk. Now, I was thinking of having both the PlayStation and the Xbox side by side, something like this. And now that I think about it, that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. I'll probably do something like that. I'll have to turn Aaron around. But the PlayStation looks pretty good. Just have an empty space right here, which again, don't mind it. The Xbox could actually probably lie down if it really wanted to. I'll have to move that, but I don't think I'm gonna lie it down. I think I'm gonna stand it up like this and just have both of them right there, or a bit closer together, like touching almost. Yeah, something like that. The reason why I want to put it there is because if it was like right here and I like rage or move my hand, it's gonna go right here. It's not gonna go hit the PlayStation off the table, because that would not be good. So yeah, this is what the PlayStation looks like. So I'm gonna get it hooked up to the monitor and all set up. As you can see, we have both the Xbox and PlayStation. Again, I'm gonna have to turn Aaron. But yeah, I put the PlayStation controller right here now, and then I keep the Xbox controller right here, so I have both. My phone goes wherever. And yeah, that's the setup. Okay, so now, okay, I'm nervous. All right, hopefully this works and I didn't just do all that for nothing. Let me make sure I'm doing everything right. Okay, you have to connect the wireless controller to your console. So first we gotta turn on the controller. All right, and then connect it with the wire. So let's turn on the console right now. Where's the on button? This one? All right. Oh, it's lighting up. Oh, that is so cool. All right, so, oh my God, I haven't seen a PlayStation logo on this monitor. Whoa, this is crazy. Oh, whoa, wait. What's that? What's that? Ooh. Oh man, that is sick. All right, let's plug in the controller. All right, so it's plugged in. It's like a orange color. It looks so sick. All right, let's press it. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, English, United States. Set up connection. All right, I'm gonna go do that right now. All right, so basically, I just started setting up the console, putting in all my information. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with all of the, time. I'm not gonna waste it. So I sped it up and I just showed you guys it in like a minute. So yeah, enjoy, I guess. Okay, here's the final product.